SIGER Data Precision Machining Digital Intelligent Application Case.
Customers CNC HD10003 Axis Horizontal Deep Hole Drilling Machine from a machine tool factory suits deep hole machining of various workpieces with 5 mm 30 mm aperture range. During continuous multi-hole, high-load machining, it has these pain points: tool failure in extended multi-hole operations, precision control gaps in coordinate linkage, response delays due to manual processes. SIGER Data configured a customized tool monitoring system for precise real-time tool condition control. It uses power sensors to collect load, spectrum, and other data in real time. With a multi-algorithm AI engine, it accurately identifies where trends and abnormal alarms from over 10-dimensional features. Function 1. Smart hole detection and speed. Monitors load changes during deep hole machining, recognizes through hole states or abnormal stress, and auto-adjusts spindle speed or feed rate to reduce blade breakage and tool breakage risks. Function 2. Adaptive multi-axis feed control. Optimizes feed rates on coordinate axis per workpiece parameters, ensuring precise multi-axis coordination for synchronized processing. Function 3. Proactive tool condition monitoring. Real-time tool monitoring with instant alerts. Builds wear models for accurate tool replacement reminders and proactive maintenance. SIGER Data TMS offers high integration with 2-week deployment. Same hardware enables seamless expansion to a 4-in-1 solution: tool monitoring, collision protection, adaptive machining, thermal error compensation, meeting enterprises' digital and intelligent needs. Choose SIGER Data for cost reduction, efficiency improvement, and worry-free production.